How to add or remove zoom to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Now scroll down, then tap on Zoom. Tap on the Zoom menu item to select it or deselect it. Once it is selected, it will be added to the shortcut menu. Now if you triple click on the side button, this will bring up the accessibility shortcuts menu. In here, you can quickly access Zoom by tapping on the shortcut to turn on Zoom or to disable it. And that's it. After, you can also tap on the Zoom button here to deselect the Zoom shortcut. Once it is deselected, then it will, sorry, I just put up the wrong menu item. Here, you can see it will be removed from the accessibility shortcuts menu. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.